Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google BigQuery datasets with IAM and access controls, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Cloud Platform console. Navigate to the BigQuery section on the left sidebar. Select the project containing the dataset you want to configure. Locate the dataset you wish to modify from the list provided. Click on the dataset name to access its details. In the Dataset Details, find the Permissions tab. Click on the Permissions tab to view current access controls. To add new permissions, click on the Add Principal button. In the dialog that appears, enter the email address of the user or service account. Select the appropriate role from the drop-down menu. Common roles include Viewer, Editor, and Owner, or you can assign specific BigQuery roles. If you want to grant access to a service account, ensure that the service account has been created previously. After selecting the role, click the Save button to apply the changes. To edit existing permissions, simply locate the user or service account from the list. Click on the pencil icon next to their name to edit roles. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Save again. If you need to remove access, click on the trash bin icon next to the user's name. Confirm the removal of permissions in the prompt that appears. To enable more granular access, consider creating custom roles. Navigate back to the IAM and Admin section of the console. Click on Roles and then select Create Role. Fill in the necessary details for the custom role you're creating. Assign specific permissions relevant to your dataset requirements. Once complete, click Create to finalize the custom role. Return to the Datasets Permissions tab and add the new role as you did previously. Always review the roles and permissions regularly for compliance and security. Test access from a user account to ensure permissions are functioning as intended. Document the permissions set up for future reference or audits. With these steps, you now have a well-configured Google BigQuery dataset with proper IAM and access controls in place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.